YouTube. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to clean a messed up computer. As you can see, I dropped all my cereal. So, okay, maybe this part is inside. I don't know, maybe it was here. But we're going to show you how you can wash a laptop computer without causing any damage. So as you can see, it's already messed up with cereal. So we're going to use a little bit of water. Don't be afraid, friends from YouTube. Nothing happens. You see? It's okay, it's working. So now you have to keep it a little bit here. So this is going to help a lot. The operating system, Windows 98. So now we're going to use a little bit of soap. You can use the brand you like. And if you don't like the brand, you can use whatever I'm gonna use Dawn. This is no commercial, okay? So you have to do it like this, by hand, or if not, you can use a brush. Brush it very well. As you can see, this is gonna help the operating system. You see, this is gonna help a lot. So now we're gonna use some hot water to help this computer. So the operating system is gonna work very well. Okay? So now pretty much it's okay. You can brush it again and again. You can use your favorite rag. You can use this in the dollar store. This is very good to wash things. I think very much must be right now, and in 5 minutes it's gonna be working all right. So now we're gonna take the excessive water from the computer, so we don't have to. Just be careful with the soap, because the soap can damage the circuits and the operating system, and maybe also can hurt the Duo Core Intel Duo microprocessor. So now make sure no foam, because foam can be harmful for the computer. As you can see, just be careful, okay? No foam, because foam can be very hurtful. Now we're going to show you how to dry this. So you see, be careful with the foam, because foam can be very damaging for this computer. So you can use whatever you like to dry it. And we're going to show you the best thing to dry these things. This is a very sophisticated machine to dry laptop computers. So let's see here. And you see, this is the sophisticated piece of part you have to buy, maybe in Best Buy, maybe in Computer City. Sorry, Computer City is not working anymore. So you just want to hang it here, and then you have to wait about 2 days to get dry. After this experiment, we're going to show you that this computer is going to be best than new. Okay, friends from YouTube, bye bye for right now. Okay, friends from YouTube, thank you for waiting. Remember, you have to wait 2 days. Now the computer is fully working. Let me show you. See? The computer is fully recovered. As you can see, now it's working. So my experiment was successful. Just remember, don't use soap. I'm sorry, just be careful with the foam, because foam is very harmful for computers. So as you can see, it's working. The operating system is working. Everything in the computer is working. As you can see, everything is working. So as you can see, just be careful with the foam, because foam is very harmful. So again, be careful with the foam because it's harmful for computers. So just be careful, and you can do it safe, very easy. You remember this sophisticated device? We can call it the computer dryer. It's available now in Best Buy for like $5. So if you want to fix your computer, now just follow this tutorial video and you will fix your computer after you spell some cereal or whatever you spell in it. Thank you very much for this opportunity to show you my talents, and see you later.